Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Once you have created a home page, you'll need to add content to it. If you used one of the web page templates available, you'll need to replace the fake information that the default pages have with your own content. All of the editing to a web page is typically done in the normal or design view of a web page. To add text to a web page, simply click into the place in the page where you'd like the text to appear, and then type. Once you've entered your text, you can click and drag over it to select it, and then apply any formatting features you'd like using the formatting toolbar. Unfortunately, an HTML web page is not the same thing as a desktop publishing document. You do not have the same degree of control over the appearance of fonts used in the web page on a visitor's computer. If you use a custom font in one of your pages, the visitors to your web page must also have the same font installed on their machines to view it correctly. Otherwise, the web browser simply replaces that font with its default font. There are also some issues with control over the size of a font. When you set the size of a font in FrontPage, you can see that it uses a range from 1 to 7. However, the browser that views your web page can be set to display a different standard of font sizes. Depending on the browser settings, fonts can either be larger or smaller than the font you use. You really don't have much control over this in any HTML editor, as it's simply one of the unique challenges in website design. As we progress through the tutorial, you'll be introduced to various methods of arranging and managing layouts of content in your web pages. For now, though, concentrate on simply adding content to a page. Another thing that many people like to use in a website are images. You should always try to make the actual image or picture file size as small as possible without sacrificing image quality. That way, the images will download much more quickly when someone views your website. Image editing can be done more effectively in an actual image editing program versus FrontPage. However, once the image that you want to use is created, FrontPage makes it easy to place it in a web page and perform some basic modifications. Images are often stored in a specific subfolder of the root folder called Images. This is a standard practice with graphics on the internet. You can insert an image into your web page by clicking Insert in the menu bar, rolling over Picture, and then clicking From File. You can then navigate to the location of the picture you'd like to use, click it to select it, and then click Insert. When you go to save the web page, it will prompt you to save the image into the root folder if it's not already there.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.